But this is kind of the look that I was going for, and I actually really like how it turned out. Let me know if you guys like it. And this is exactly why van building is not easy. I have just spent, I guess, about an hour trying to figure out where I'm gonna relocate this. I've talked about this many times before in my other daily vlogs. Oh, if you guys haven't already, can you guys like and subscribe, please? Like, I'd like to get this algorithm up and going. Greatly appreciated if you just, you know, gave it a little thumbs up. You know, hit that subscribe button. It would be fantastic. Anyways, my upper cabinet here. I got the Van Life Tech control pad that I'm trying to move from where it was up here down into this location. A couple different reasons. Number one, this is actually a thermostat. This regulates the temperature in the area. So I wanted to accurately read the inside van temperature, and it's not best to be up against a wall, an outside wall. It's actually better to have it perpendicular to an outside wall and around chest height. I've also mentioned that in my other video. So cable runs into the garage, and we can walk back there and we can take a look. I actually have to cut out a piece of the garage area. You might be able to see it back in there. I had to cut that little hole out. You can actually see my insulation in there. And that red cable in there, that cable goes to the Van Life Tech system. What I plan on doing now is snaking that cable back through, and then I marked where I want it, and I'm gonna hole drill it big enough so I can get the cable in there, and then I can mount it to the wall. But I gotta find the wires to the Victron contraption and the button for the inverter, and I'm gonna put them on this side. There's no temperature regulation to those or anything of that nature, so they can be inside. I actually want them inside of a cabinet because seeing those controls is kind of weird. Seeing a touchpad is, I think, kind of fancy, so that's okay. Plus the screen goes blank after it's not touched for a while, and then if I touch it, it can be back on. So I figured that can be in sight, and it looks pretty. In regards to like the Victron control panel, like that thing, nah, and like a button, it's just weird looking, you know? So to me, I wanted it clean. I hid them inside of a cabinet, and it's like if you need to check your Victron thing, you can open up the cabinet, take a peek inside. You want to turn on your inverter, you open up the cabinet, push the button. It's not the end of the world if you did it that way. Like I said, the only time you have to turn on your inverter is laptop charging, cooking, so you don't have to do it all the time. Can't wait until this project's done because I can cap this and I can start lining everything out. I took everything out. All the cushions are now in my office, which is great. I took out all of the drawers. I've been looking online at like other vans that are up for sale right now, and I think it's so interesting to me. I guess it's like house buying. You know, what suits somebody else doesn't suit that other person or whatever. You know what I'm trying to say? And I saw a couple vans that are up for sale, and they're beautiful and everything. It's like, what bothers me is people kind of get upset at my price tag, and it's like, what you don't see is actually the value in this van. The heated floor system, I've said this before, is not only the best heating I've seen in a van, it's the best heating I've had in my life. In all the apartments and houses that I've lived in, sorry mom and dad, this is the best heating I've ever had in my life. I have a 12-volt air conditioning unit coming in. Nobody sees these things, you know. The power system has 4 lithium batteries. Like, I saw a van for sale that was 6 years older than mine, something like 40,000 more miles on the van itself than mine. Aesthetically, it was beautiful, but the power system wasn't nearly as powerful as mine. And it's like they were asking roughly the same price, and I'm like, it doesn't bother me. It's just, I wish consumers understood that. So I'm not trying to like put my van on a pedestal. I wish that people could, like, they can't, that's like you're comparing apples to oranges. And I would like for people to understand the value of something before just judging something on looks alone. Not only goes for vans, that goes for people too, right guys? Like, it's just, there's so much more than what you see. And if they have a high price tag on something, same thing with a house, chances are there's something special about it. And I don't want to preach about that. This is not what this video is about, but I just wanted to get that out there. Off-Grid Solutions PDX, I just wanted to give you a quick little peek of what I'm going to be touring tomorrow, or I guess I'm doing it as this video comes out. And then it is going to be released Friday, the tour of this van that I'm standing in right now. They're finishing up the last little bit of finishing touches. So you're gonna have to see the, not the owner of the rig, but the owner of the shop, Jason, will be doing a tour with me. but I just wanted to give you guys a quick little peek of this. You may have seen this before when I did a shop tour with Jason and his whole crew. There's his crew right there, 2 of them. There's Jay on the right and John on the left. Got that right?
Correct.
There's 2 Jasons in the shop. There's the owner Jason, then the welding master Jason. So
today I'm working on drum stuff.
yeah, he's a drummer. Jason, the one that you guys just saw, he is a drummer. What's your band name, dude?
Dead Animal Assembly Plant.
Dead Animal Assembly Plant.
Yes.
What genre is it? I mean, we can all pretty much guess, but why don't you tell us?
It is light jazz. It is pretty heavy industrial.
Heavy industrial.
Yep.
Heavy industrial. That's a good one. I like that.
I like the light jazz better.
Look them up. You guys got some cool YouTube videos, actually.
Tons.
Yeah.
We got tons of content out there. We got a new album coming out. We just dropped a new single a couple days ago. New videos coming out within the next week, I hope.
If you guys like the industrial metal, is that what you called it?
Yeah.
Industrial metal, yeah.
Yep.
If you like that, then hit them up.
Yep.
Because
Go check us out on YouTube. Check us out on
You guys
Bandcamp.
tour quite often, too.
Yep, we just did it nationwide last year. Unfortunately, we're probably not going out anywhere this year.
Yeah.
We just did a live stream Sunday that went nationwide, worldwide actually. That was kind of cool. Released the new single last Friday, and it's doing pretty good so far.
Awesome. Guys, go and check out, I'm going to mess this name up again. Dead Animal
Assembly Planet.
Assembly Planet. I missed the assembly. I was almost at Dead Animal Planet, but Dead Animal Assembly Planet. Check them out. Plant. I'm gonna finish out the vlog with me going back to my van and showing you guys what I did over the last couple days. But I can't wait to do a full tour of this van because Jason and his crew did a fantastic job. This thing is massive. All right, Vanessa and I are gonna walk back to Mark's shop later. We're now in the van. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I was up to the last couple days. Went live earlier today. That was a good live. I actually liked it a lot. But anyways, this contraption, which is the Van Life Tech like touchpad, keypad, it monitors not just the heat, but it tells me inside heat, outside heat, and the floor heating, because I have sensors all throughout the van for that purpose exactly. Right now the floor is reading at 70 degrees. Because I am not actually living in the van, I've moved out of it. I have the floor set way down to like 63 degrees, and I have the inside temp set down to like in the 60s. So it'll kick on when it needs to. That's how smart this thing is. I love it. But anyways, I moved it. It used to be up here in this cabinet up here. I also thought about putting it like over here, but I'm going to be actually doing the vent for the air conditioning unit is going to be over here. So I wanted to make sure I had room for that as well. So I'm glad I didn't make that maneuver. It was also a lot easier going from there to there. There was like an upper box up here, and I actually took that down and I built this other box. It has some compound on it because I am going to be painting that white. And then I also carpeted the inside of all of this. I still have the ceiling to do up there. I still have the upper portion of the upper cabinet to do. But this is kind of the look that I was going for, and I actually really like how it turned out. Let me know if you guys like it. I am planning on doing this upper cabinet. I'm planning on doing this upper cabinet with that same type of carpet. I think I might just paint this box as well, same as that box over there. I'm still going back and forth whether or not I am going to do the same type of upholstery work of that upper cabinet to the drawers down here. I definitely want to do it down in here, which is like storage. I just think it'll give it a nice, cool, crisp, clean look. And I'll probably do it down into this storage down here as well. Again, it'll give it a nice, crisp, clean, overall beautiful aesthetic look. I am looking forward to doing all that. It's a lot of work. Doing that work it takes a while. Let's just say that it is a process, but it also really, I think it warms up the space. I think it gives it just a really nice, crisp, clean overall look. You know, you don't have an exposed wood. Obviously like exposed wood is nice, right? But I think like, you know, when you open up a cabinet, you have like this raw wood look, or even if you could paint it, sure, but like throwing stuff in and out of the drawers or cabinetry, it can scuff it up over time. You have to go back in there and repaint. So I think I may have just answered my own question by putting the upholstery inside of the drawers, because I think it would look crisp and clean. So I guess I kind of have to do it. I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I think I am gonna do that. It'll be cool. It'll be cool when I'm done with it. So anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna get some more work on the van done tomorrow. I'm gonna see if I can get this upper cabinet done over here. I gotta get the rest of the ceiling done up there, like I said. Just little odds and ends stuff. Talked to the air conditioning people today. That is getting shipped out on Monday, so I should have it by the end of the week next week, and then I might spend the weekend next weekend actually installing it. I am going to end this vlog wishing Yulia a happy birthday. So happy birthday to Yulia. It is your birthday today. I wish you well. I have many other birthdays, and I wish I was with you, and I'm sorry that I wasn't. Happy birthday, Yulia. I'm not going to sing like Mark sang to me, but guys, I will see you guys later.